In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit captions in Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this guide will help you effortlessly add and fine-tune captions on your videos. Let's dive in. First, open up your web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you'll need to sign up, which is a quick process. After signing in, you'll see the option to continue with Microsoft. Click that to sign in using your Microsoft credentials. If you're using a different service like Google, you'll find suitable options there as well. Select your Microsoft account from the list, and as soon as you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Clipchamp homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create a New Video button and click it. This will take you to the video editor interface where all the magic happens. Here you should see an Import Media button. Click on that. Now simply drag and drop your video file into the timeline area. This is where you'll be able to start editing. To get started with captions, click on the video section on the left side panel of the video editor, then navigate over to the audio option and click it. This will allow you to access more audio related options, including detaching audio. Click on Detach Audio to separate the audio from your video file, which makes it easier to work with the sound elements independently. Now, it's time to get those captions rolling. Find the Captions button on the same side panel and click it to access caption features. At the top of the Captions menu, you'll see an option to generate captions using AI. Click on this. You'll be prompted to select a language for your captions. Choose the appropriate language that matches your video's content for accurate transcription. After selecting the language, click on Transcribe Media. This will trigger the AI to automatically generate the subtitles for your video. As soon as the transcription process is complete, you'll notice captions appear on your video timeline. If you need to make any alterations to these auto-generated captions, Clipchamp makes it super easy for you. Simply click on any caption segment and begin editing the text to make sure it accurately reflects the spoken words in your video. When you've edited the text, it's time to add some style to your captions. Click directly on a caption within the video frame, and options to adjust the font and color will appear. Play around with different fonts and colors to complement your video's style and branding, and there you have it, a fully captioned video ready for viewing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and appreciate how quick it is to edit captions in Clipchamp. Thanks for watching and happy editing.